Hello Internet, and welcome to this documentation of my adventures in lockpicking. Today I'll be going over my experiences with small locks. I have 6 of them currently, and they've been a source of fairly consistent frustration for several reasons. First frustration was the keyway. If we take this generic Walmart out for comparison, is physically smaller, which means I needed to use smaller tools to get in there to manipulate the locks. Second frustration is sometimes the lock doesn't really engage, and I can just apply tension to get these things open, which is not great when you're trying to learn how to manipulate pins. Final frustration is their inconsistency of behavior in terms of sometimes I will have to pick every pin, and sometimes I just need to tap one and it will just open up. Other times they put up a fight. I mean, they'll really fight you. There we go. So yeah, their behavior is just inconsistent. But they have taught me some lessons, which I consider are kind of important. First off, you need to approach every lock as it's unique. They will, even if 2 locks look identical, they will behave different. They could behave differently. Second is size of the tensioner is important. You want the smallest tensioner that will do the job, which will leave you the most space you can possibly ask to work with when you're actually manipulating the pins. Well, that is it for this moving picture documentation. Subscribe if you want, and have a nice day.